Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Virginia. For this tutorial, I'm using 76 Jenga blocks and also a few pieces of popsicle sticks. Step number 1, glue 4 sets of 4 blocks. And then you will glue 9 blocks, spacing them equally, allowing them to dry and then moving on to the next step. Step 2, glue 2 panels of 12 blocks together. And then glue the 2 panels together as you are seeing here. And this is what we have so far. If you are new to my channel, welcome and thank you. And if you are return members, thank you so much. I am gluing 2 sets together. Allow them to dry and moving on to the next step. I use lightweight speckling to fill in the gaps. If you don't want to, you can leave it as is. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. After the speckling dry, I start to sanding all the pieces. This project you can stain, paint, or leave natural color. For this project, I am using 2 types of paint brushes. The smaller one is much easier to apply paint in the small area as you are seeing here. For base color, I use white paint. And for the second color, I use burnt umber. This piece will represent the fence. You can paint just one solid color, which will still look nice too. This is the base of the house, so I apply water before adding color onto the Jenga blocks. Make sure the Jenga blocks have good coverage of the paint. I apply 2 to 3 coats. And this is what I have so far. I paint both sides of the panel. It came out very nice. Now we're going to put aside and start the next step. What you are seeing here, I have applied burnt umber, and later I also add a little bit of white paint to soften it a little bit. And then I mix both colors together as you are seeing here. Repeat the same step to another panel. And this is what we have so far. My channel have recently reached 5,000 subscribers. I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you for supporting my channel. Without your support, I would have come this far. Thank you. And for the house, I put the mixture of the burnt umber and white together as you are seeing here. Next, I'm gluing the fence onto the base of the house. On both sides of the fence, it will overhang a little bit, which is okay. I hope you like this project as much as I do. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. And this is what we have so far. It started coming along very well. The next step is I'm gluing the house on both sides, as you are seeing here. If you want to draw a door or windows on the house, that would look very cute too. And now you are finished. You can leave it as is. After a close look, I noticed that I missed a few spots. So I go back with the white paint and do the touch up as you are seeing here. It looked cute and simple as is. Small tin cans or glass jars will definitely fit inside the crates. You can then add flowers or art and craft supplies inside the tin cans or the glass jars, and it will look very cute. For this project, I used wood glue, and the result came out very sturdy after it dried. This demonstration is showing without adding the popsicle roof. If you were to add word size like hello or welcome on the side of the house, that would look very cute too. Here I'm trying to add and cut the popsicle sticks to size before I start painting and glue them on the roof of the house. 4 of the popsicle sticks I trim very little from the edge as you are seeing here. And the other 4 long pieces, I leave them as is. I use white paint as base and then apply burnt umber as you are seeing here. If you were to paint the roof in red or green or any color, I think any color would still make the house look very cute. And here's what I have so far. I think I like this version better because it adds the accent. If you have butterfly or bird from Dollar Tree on hand, you can glue it on the roof of the house. It will look adorable. For this eucalyptus, I purchased from Walmart. And there you have it. I hope you like it as much as I do. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share my video. Thank you for watching.